There are some COVID success stories in Canada right now. Atlantic Canada is doing better than much of the country. 3 of the 4 provinces there reported just 1 or 0 new cases today. Nova Scotia had 1 new case, and it's taking pride in how it's faring. Though, as Ross Lord reports, some businesses are paying a high price for it.
As a Nova Scotian, Heather Rankin takes pride in the province's ability to suppress COVID-19.
We are on the side, of course, of public health, and we don't want to interfere with anything that's going on there.
Even though Nova Scotia's success in keeping public gatherings to a minimum has delivered a gut punch to her Halifax wine bar.
Sales would definitely be down by at least half, if not more.
The upside, fewer COVID cases means less strain on hospitals in a province already struggling to meet the demands of an aging population.
It was that fear of the virus exploding through our population.
But over the past 5 months, no one has died from COVID-19 in Nova Scotia. Other than a brief blip in November, there are very few positive cases day to day. Hospitalizations are rare. Despite a spike in cases in neighboring New Brunswick last week, Nova Scotia's count stayed down, on some days as low as 0. Emergency Department nurse Cheryl Burbage says it's a huge relief.
We're continuing on with the load that we have always had, but we haven't had to bring COVID into the mix really hardly at all.
With the number of cases staying low and vaccinations expanding, business owners wonder when the economy can return to normal.
Allow them to be open alongside of COVID in a safe way so that we don't have to keep facing this opening up, closing down situation.
Nova Scotia authorities are signaling there's no let-up. They're adding new measures like mandatory COVID testing for rotational workers.
So while I know it's hard to do, even though our numbers are low and stable, we have to continue our cautious approach.
That might mean keeping COVID and complacency at bay at their own expense. Ross Lord, Global News, Halifax.